In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious raspberry banana smoothie recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 1 cup of raspberries, 1 banana, half a cup of vanilla yogurt, half a cup of orange juice, half a cup of ice, and 1 tablespoon of honey. In a blender, add in the banana, orange juice, yogurt, honey, and the raspberries. We're going to blend this until smooth. Once smooth, add in the ice and blend until completely crushed. Our smoothie is finished, and now you can pour out into a glass and serve. We hope you enjoy!